We are done with part 6 of our basic task. Now let us move on to part 7, that is using line. So imagine we have this plane, sketch, we have a point here and another point here. Now exit the workbench, click on line, select point to point, select the first point as this and the second point as this. You can see that we have created a line using point to point. Now let us draw a surface on ZX plane. Exit workbench, shape, generative shape design. Let us extrude. And click on OK. Let us go back to part design. And click on line. Now we can use point direction. Point direction. Let us create a point on the surface right here and click on OK. And now the direction will be XY plane, and let the start point be 50 and the end point be 40. Click on preview, click on OK. Now you can see that we have created a line on the surface like this, which is starting from the point at 50 and ending at 40 from the point. Or we can increase the end point to 20 and click on OK. We get a bigger line like that on the surface. Select angle normal to curve, select the curve as this and support as this surface and the point as, let us say, create a point on plane, on this plane here, and we have selected a click on OK. We have a point there. From this surface to that point, let us create an angle of 50 starting at 1 mm and ending at 50. Click on preview. You can see that a line is created at this part at an angle of 50 to the surface. We can also increase the line, increase the degree. Let the curve be that, extrude point, increase the line. like that. So this is how you use angle normal to curve. Again, click on line, click on normal to surface, click on the surface and click on this point here. You can see that a line is formed. When you increase it and increase the end point, you can increase the end point or decrease the end point. Click on OK. You can see that this line is normal to the surface. So this is how you create a line normal to the surface. And now to creating planes. Let's delete all this. Click on the plane option, select the plane and click on 20 or in the reverse direction. Repeat OK. You can create as many number of planes that you want, like 6 planes. OK. There will be 6 planes formed at an equidistance of 20 mm. Or again you can click on plane, repeat OK, 6, fine. So this is how you create planes. Or you can create plane in this direction, click on planes, repeat OK, 6, fine. So we have got a number of 6 planes on X, Y and Z axis. Now let us go back and select a plane. Click on parallel through point, create a point on this plane here. Now you can see that a plane is created at a point 18. Okay, this is how you create a plane at a point. And we can select on plane, angle or normal, rotation axis. Create a line on this plane, create a point on this plane, at an angle of 45. Okay, you can see that the plane is created at this line 8 on the YZ plane. So this is how we use angle normal to plane. Click on OK. Again click on plane, select through 3 points, create point on this plane here, create point 2 on this plane here and create point here. We can see that it's created on the 3 point through 3 points preview. Okay, here right in between. Again click on plane, through 2 point lines, create a line on this axis, create a point, on ZX plane here, click on OK, and another line on the same plane, create a point, same plane here, click on OK. Now you can see that a line is created. Let us change this line to edit line. Let it be on this plane. Okay. Now you can see the plane is created on the line. Click on OK. Again, click on plane, click on through point and line, create a point, select the plane right here, create a line, and the surface, create a point on the same surface, and draw a line. Click on OK. Through point and line, you can see that it's created. So when we select the point and the line, the plane passing through the point and the line is displayed. Click on OK. Now let us draw a spline. And plane through a planar curve. Select the curve and click on preview. Click on OK. You can see that the plane is created right on the curve. Let us create a point. See here, exit, and plane, normal to curve, select the curve and select the point. You can see that the plane is created at the point which is normal to the curve at a specified point. So this is how you use normal to curve. Let us create a point on this plane. And on this plane. And exit. Now plane through points, sketch one, point, sketch two. One, two, three. You can see that a plane is created at the mean of these 3 points. 1, 2, 3, and this is the plane created. So this is how you create planes.